Good morning. Today is Thursday, the 18th of June, and it is a little after 10, about 10:16, and I have had, excuse me, a couple trades here, and I'm down for the day. I am down, again, trading very small to show that you can make money trading onesies and twosies. We're looking at the S&P 500, and took a couple small losses, took a small win here. And I am currently long right here, looking to take profits at the high of the day and to go short. As you can see, the current trade is up $75 on one contract. So far, I'm down $125 on the day. So let's see what happens. Let's see if the market can come up, get me out of this long trade, and then short. Yes, the market is extremely strong. It looks like it is strong, but I think it is time to come down to retrace a normal, healthy retracement before going higher, because I do, in fact, believe the market is going to move higher ultimately. I'm just looking for a short retracement here before heading back up. So again, I'm long here, looking to take some profits on a retest of the high of the day. So we'll see. I'll be back as the market progresses. Look at this. All right, we'll see. And if I'm not able to get out here and the market comes down, then I will add to this position, looking ultimately for the market to move higher. All right, I'm back again. As you can see, I took off my sell limit order at the high of the day, thinking, man, this market's really consolidating here. Is it really going to break out? And if it does, I want to be there, and I'm already long. So I'm watching this very closely. High of the day is, what, 9 even? We're at 21.08 3/4. Market's pretty much been straight up all day. We've consolidated in here for a few bars, and I'm thinking we may just break higher. So we're at 21.09. Let's see if we break through the high of the day. I'm already long this trade. So let's see. Okay, look, we've broken. Okay, here we go. So I'm glad I took out that sell limit. I'm not short. I'm going to watch this very closely. All right, so I'm going to pause the video. Let's see if we can run. Let's see if we're going to look to get short in here. Got a lot of divergence through some of the internals, although they are strong, but they are diverging big time here. So let's just be right back. All right, I'm back. Man, I just threw in a limit order at 21.09. If this market was going to run, it probably would have ran nicely, but it hit a stop, and now we're coming down. So we'll see if I get it or not. All right, I'm back. As you can see, the market came up, took me out, which is good because we were long, let's see, we were long right here, 21.07, took profits at 21.09, and we're actually short from 21.09. It's at 21.07.5. It's down as far as 21.07, so we've got 2 points to the downside as well. So let's see what happens. All right, I exited that short position right in here. As you can see, I was trying to get long a little lower, and I was unable to do it. And look at the market's right back up, not only testing the high of the day, but just barely broke through. So the big question is here, does the market fail off this high, or does it continue moving higher? And my guesstimation, it should continue going higher. It looks like one of those days where you get the big gap. We got that gap, right? This is where it closed yesterday. It opened up here, never looked back, never tried to fill that gap, and just kept going higher, right? Higher highs, higher lows, right? We've got another higher high here. So let's see what we can do. Hold on one second. All right, look at this market. As it continues to move higher, it's going to be one of those days where the market's going to continually move higher throughout the day. And then we'll come probably between 2 and 3 o'clock where we may get some type of a meaningful pullback. So, yeah, this is one of those days where it becomes a little bit more difficult because you keep thinking as the market pulls down off of a high that this is the pullback we're looking for to get long, and you just simply don't see that. So as you can see, I took profits here, but I was actually looking to not only take profits, but to reverse and go long down in here, and the market didn't quite get to me, and then it started etching higher, and I got out of my net short trade, and I was unable to get long. So I'm going to keep this recording going. I'm going to see if I can get long here soon. Alright, as you can see here, I did get long on just a real shallow pullback right here. So this is shaping up good. And again, it's shaping up to be one of those days that I mentioned earlier. We are slowly and gradually moving to the upside. Okay? So as you can see, I'm long right here. This blue arrow right here at about 210.5. We're at 12 3/4, up a little over 2 points on that. So far, not bad. We've come back from a little negative being down in here to up at about, well, closed profits of only $25, right? We got open profits of $225 right now. So let's see what happens. Let's see if this market continues jogging higher. If you take a look at a daily chart, we've really exploded from those from that bottom a few days back. So let's see how high we can go. We're going to trail this up and just see what we can do here. All right, I am back, and as you can see, the market continues to move higher, which is a good thing. But I do have a sell limit order in at 14 1/4 to take one off. We're starting to hit a level where our daily average ranges. I mean, we've got a daily range so far of about 15, 16 points. Okay, 13, 14, 16, almost 17 points from low to high. Which, if you look back the last 6 or 7 days, this is about the average range, getting a little larger range than we've had the last few days. Which means, all right, so I'm out of one. Okay, I've still got one left. Okay, so that's a good profit there. We went long at 10.5, 11, 12, 13. Almost a 4-point profit trading one right here. And we've still got one left. So as you can see here, let's see. About 137. Let's see. We locked in 212.50. Okay, 212. And we're going to trail this one up and see what we can get from this. But we are hitting a level now. If you look back, 14 1/4. If you look back to May 28th, that high that day was 14.5. So I'm expecting some resistance to come in here. See what happens. All right, I am back, and as you can see, I've got a sell stop here at 212 1/4, which is below this bar's low, and I'm going to put in a sell limit to not only take profits but to actually go short at 21.16 1/4, which I believe is a big number. 16 1/4. That's, that's 3 points higher. I would go net short there, even though the overall trend of the day is up. Okay, so I'm looking at 16 1/4 to get short if we can rally up to that level. All right, so I got out of that trade, was stopped out, and so what we've done so far is we've closed out $300 in profits so far. So big up day though. Hope that helps. Have a great day, and hope you